Dreams begin here. In Jialan, Zhongshan, the heart of China's smart lock industry, YGS was founded in the year 2000, embarking on a journey driven by passion, vision, and innovation. Since our inception, YGS has held a singular, unwavering belief: mastering one craft for a lifetime. For over 25 years, YGS has provided professional, reliable, one-stop smart lock solutions for hospitality clients around the world. 25 years of market mastery have made YGS the premier choice for the world's most prestigious sporting arenas, from the Beijing Olympics and the Shanghai Expo to the Asian Games in Guangzhou, Indonesia, and Hangzhou, and even the European Games. Our footprint is global. Today, we serve over 80% of China's leading hotel groups, with more than 200,000 hotel engineering projects delivered globally. Over than hundreds of government, apartment, and university installations, our reach is more than just market share. It is a testament to the industry's profound trust in our quality. Over the years, YGS has been recognized as a national high-tech enterprise, a specialized and innovative enterprise, a Guangdong enterprise honoring contracts and upholding credit, and a national demonstration enterprise for integrity in product and service quality, and ISO management and environmental system certification, along with prestigious distinctions including one of China's top 10 smart lock brands. YGS is proud to serve as a drafting contributor to multiple industry standards, including standards for electronic anti-theft locks, smart locks for apartment hotels, and digital development guidelines for rental housing, rooted in steady and sustainable growth. As a pioneer in electromagnetic and hotel locking technology, YGS holds over 90 national patents. We independently developed our own PMS hotel management system and pioneered the WIG's Big Dipper intelligent platform, delivering fully integrated solutions that span chips, electronics, management systems, client interfaces, and structural design, all tailored to the unique needs of every customer. And on the path of independent innovation, we will never stop moving forward. YGS has believed that innovation is the driving force behind sustainable growth. The Mobi S7, a masterpiece. Introducing the Mobi S7, the dawn of the artistic hotel lock. More than a security device, it is a piece of art inspired by the concept of infinite cycles. It shatters the cold, rigid stereotypes of traditional locks, bringing fluid elegance to every doorway. The artistic hotel lock masterpiece, Mobius S7, more than just a lock. It is a sculptural work of art inspired by the concept of infinite circulation and timeless design. It redefines the traditional perception of locks. At YGS, we firmly believe that product excellence is the lifeblood of an enterprise, built upon craftsmanship, driven by service, guided by dedication, and creating greater value for hospitality partners around the world.